Hello everyone, I am Zamir Khan, Assistant Professor HR Patel Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Shirpur. Today I will show you how to appear for mock sessional examination using Google Classroom. For this, you will click on the Google Classroom first. After clicking on Google Classroom, this dashboard will appear. Here you can go to the second year B Pharm classroom. Then here you have to click on the classwork section. After clicking on classwork section, you will find over here mock sessional examination, which is scheduled today at 11 am. Now this link is inactive, which is appeared in gray color. After 11 am, this will become blue in color. Now from this admin login, I can show you how to appear for this mock sessional examination. You will click over here on the mock sessional examination. After clicking, you will be shifted to a new platform where the mock sessional examination has been held, which is for 30 marks. 30 points are there. Due date is today's date. Due time will be 12:45. It means from 11 am you are getting 1.5 hour for the complete sessional examination, and additional 15 minutes you are getting for the scanning and uploading of the documents. Now in the last, at the material section, you can see the Google form has been attached. You will click over here. After clicking on Google form link, you will be shifted to the actual practice test for sessional examination. Here you will fill all the information like email address, your name, your roll number, your class, first year or second year B Pharm. Then question pattern consists of question number 1, which is MCQs for 10 marks. So here, as a part of demo section, I have just shared I have not shared actual questions with you. Choose any one from 4 options. So for 10 MCQs, you can select any one option from question 1 to question 10. Total 10 MCQs are there. Each MCQs carries 1 mark. Total 10 MCQs. After this, you will be shifted to the question number 2, which is, we can say, solve any one question. You can see here 2 options are available. Question number 2, sub option A and sub option B. So out of these 2 questions, you can write any answer of any one question. For this part, you have to write the answer in your on your blank pages as per the instructions given to you, by writing your name, your roll number, name of the subject, date of examination, date of second sessional examination. Now suppose this question number 2, if you are attempting the A part of question number 2 and you have solved this question A on 5 or 6 pages, so what you will do, you will scan all the documents in a single page PDF file. You will not forget to write page number on each page, and finally, by making a single PDF file, you will attach over here by clicking on add file. Further, select files from your device, click on files option. You will go to the internal memory. Here you can click on the cam scanner folder where you have scanned your documents, and finally you will select a PDF which is renamed as your roll number. Now for the sake of example, I am selecting here 01 PDF and I will click on upload button. Now file will get uploaded and we can see the attachment in question number 2. One more instruction here: if you do not want to appear or do not want to answer the question number 2, either A or B, so what you will do, you have to write information on the blank page like name, roll number, subject name, date of examination, and you will upload a blank page over here. As this question number 2 is mandatory, so you cannot keep this section blank. You have to upload file here as a part of mandatory section. Then similarly you can go to the question number 3, which carries, you have to solve any 2 questions out of 3. Each question carries 5 marks, so total 10 marks are there. Again here you can see that 3 questions you can see sub question A, sub question B, sub question C. Out of these 3 A, B, C, you can solve any 2 questions. Again, by writing on the blank pages, instructions are given to you: name of the student, name of the student, roll number, subject, second sessional examination, date of examination, and again continuously either if you are solving question A and question C, so on in a continuous manner you have to scan all the documents, all the pages in a single file PDF. Do not forget to give page number to each file, and finally by making a single PDF file you can attach by clicking on add file. Here similarly, as question number 2, we'll attach another file. For the sake of example, here we are attaching a 02 PDF and click on upload button. Now I can see that question number 1, total 10 MCQs been attempted. After 10 MCQs, question number 2, one question for 10 marks. I have attached PDF. Question number 3, I have solved 2 questions but attached a PDF. Finally, after doing all these mandatory things, I will click on the submit button and the form will get submitted. Here, as I can see, I will keep this roll number blank. Will click on submit button. The form will not be submitted as I have not completed the mandatory section. So when you will complete all these things and you will click on the submit button, the form will get submitted. You will get the response in your mail ID and your sessional mock test will be submitted. Similarly, you have to appear for the actual sessional examination. If further you have any doubt regarding this mock sessional examination or regarding this Google form, you can comment me in the comment section or you can ask me anytime. Thank you very much.